Welcome new IBU students. This video will guide you on how to first set up your MyIBU portal. MyIBU is your OKTA SSO, single sign-on, to help you get access to all the resources needed at IBU. Please check your mailbox to see that you've received the email titled, Welcome to IBU, IT Account Setup Instructions from the IBU IT Help Desk. Click on it, and your email will look similar to this. It has all the necessary content for you to first set up your account at IBU. In the first part, you may follow the 3 steps provided to log into your OKTA account. Again, OKTA is your MyIBU portal single sign-on. You may click on the link in step 1, or go to any browser and type the link, myibu.ibu.ca, to get to the login page. Under username, please enter your new student email address that is provided in step 2 of the email, and the given password beneath it. Then click Sign In after filling both fields. You will be prompted to set up a new personalized password that you will be using from now on. Please make sure it follows the password requirements provided above. Enter your new password twice, then click Change Password. Now you have set up your MyIBU portal using OKTA. Here you have access to your new student mailbox, student portal, and Canvas course shell, along with more apps. Again, welcome and thank you for choosing International Business University.